So what are the three main guidelines you'll be sticking to when starting AI OFM? A lot of people come into businesses within 2025 and they think, where shall I go and what business shall I do? And they always stumble across AI. It is the newest thing, the fastest growing, and it's revolutionizing pretty much any business. We make AI influencers or digital creators and we monetize their audience. That is what AI OFM is. However, when you're starting this business, you want to understand a few things so that you don't go down a rabbit hole and get yourself in trouble. You want to follow a few guidelines, and that is what we're going to be covering in this video. Now, there's very specific guidelines on this. Guideline number 1, can I deepfake real models content and use it as my own? Now, this is a very sensitive area. If you're working with the model, you pay the model, and you have the model's permission and rights to use that content, then yes, go ahead, that is absolutely fine. However, if you're going onto other girls' social media pages and downloading their content, changing the face and then re-uploading it, I would not advise using this strategy. On social media, it will get you banned very quickly. It isn't very ethical and you'll have some problems when it comes to social media asking you for verification. So doing this is often a red flag and I'll tend to avoid it. Yes, it isn't a very effective strategy because obviously OnlyFans models create content to then go viral. So using that content is obviously going to be effective. However, if you don't have the rights for that content or their permission, then most of the time I would definitely try to avoid it. No, it isn't illegal. However, it will get your account banned on social media. When it comes to nude content or not safe for work content on FanView, you can't be using other creators' content. This is definitely illegal because you'll be selling it. If you do want to use other creators' content on FanView, you will need their release forms, ID, permission, and obviously run that all through FanView so it is all 100% legit and you're not going to get in trouble with anyone. So in terms of deepfakes, can you use them? Can you not? It's very unclear, but most of the time I'll steer away from using any kind of deepfakes content unless it is either 1, full AI already and you're just changing the face, or 2, you have the model's permission and release forms to be able to do so. So one more guideline and regulation that you need to be aware of is AI models on OnlyFans. Yes, I know it's called AI OFM. Obviously, why would we call it that when they can't go on OFM? The main reason being is obviously because OFM is very well known. If I called it AI method or something like that, most of the time you're going to be thinking AI method, ChatGPT, whereas AI OFM, it's very clear it is going on about. However, you cannot actually get a model on OnlyFans. This is a big problem and misconception that people have. It's obviously in the name, but why can't we get it on there? OnlyFans will ban you if you put an AI model on the platform, mainly because it's not designed for that. It's designed for real creators. This is why we use a platform called FanView. It allows you to get AI models on the platform, which is pretty much a direct replica of OnlyFans. So you can continue to do OFM, but with AI without getting any problems at all if you use a platform called FanView. Despite it being in the name, do not put your AI model on OnlyFans, you will get banned. Put it on FanView, same platform, same layout, and you're just going to grow at pretty similar speed, but with an AI model instead. So the last and most important guideline that you need to follow when you're creating an AI model is declaring that you are AI. You can't go around pretending that you're a real person or a real model, getting people to meet in Miami or getting people to buy you plane tickets to go across to Jamaica or something like this. You have to declare that you are AI, and these customers must know that before they start interacting with you. The normal process would simply be put it in your bio in Instagram or on FanView, just so the customers know. So this is a very important rule. It's going to help prevent you get banned on Instagram, and it's going to also allow you to stay above the law when it comes to growing your own OnlyFans model. So if you are interested in learning how to make an AI model and staying in the correct guidelines, whilst also scaling effectively and getting the best methods on how to make these models, and you're in luck, because we have the most advanced training team with proven results to get you to the earnings that you desire with AI models. So if you are interested in learning how to make an AI model, stay in the guidelines, and effectively growing within this business model, make sure you check the description below because there will be a link there that will take you to a very, very cheap course, which is just going to allow you to dabble your feet in the water, make sure that you understand everything, and make sure you don't go into the red zone. As long as you stay within these guidelines, you'll be absolutely fine when joining this business model, and you should be able to safely start earning and getting away from that normal 9 to 5 lifestyle. Check the description below, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.